The best way to learn about big data, accounting and finance is to jump right into it. That's why we're so proud of the Bond FinTech Hub.
The FinTech Hub features the most Bloomberg terminals of any university in Australia. Bloomberg terminals are a world standard for professionals in the financial marketplace, so our students are using the same software and the same data that they would use when they entered the industry. Students gain practical experience in executing deals, managing portfolios, trading financial securities in changing market conditions. Students undertake market research for various asset classes using macroeconomic data to better understand the financial marketplace and form sound recommendations. We have a dedicated staff member located in the Bond FinTech Hub who offers assistance for training workshops for students, staff members and alumni. The purpose of the Bond FinTech Hub is to give students practical industry quality experience in actuarial science, accounting and finance.
It's one of the reasons why our Bond business graduates stand out in Australia and overseas.